this is Tim from YourTech Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the location or maybe your country or region on your Samsung account. So on my Android phone here, I want to go on over to the internet option. Could be like Google Chrome or Samsung Internet. Just choose this and open it up. So you can see I'm already logged in. Just go to the top here to the URL and just delete this and type in account.samsung.com. Now you might see this as like an auto suggestion too, so it's account.samsung.com. So we can just click this and it'll bring me to Google. Tap the first link. Now under here you can see an option to sign in with your Samsung account. Just select it and then we're on here. Now what we want to do is go on over to profile and you'll see a bunch of different personal information. So I'm going to select this and then scroll on down. Now you can see the option for country or region. Let's choose this. And we should be able to change it. So actually I have to hit edit personal information first. So now we have the option for country or region. So we can just select this, go on down to your desired country, and choose one of these. Like let's go to Argentina. Where is it? Select this. There should be an option to change on the bottom now. Not now. Change the country or region. Hit this and go to change. And then it should be updated on your Samsung account. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.